Hi all, welcome back to my channel, SAP FICO Training by K. Lakshman Swami. So as part of our interview question series, today we are going to discuss two interview questions. First one is question. Is it possible to post the business transactions in the previous year even after the preparation of financial statements and the previous year is closed? It's very, very important interview question. See, sometimes what happens is after posting of business transfer, after close of the previous fiscal year and even after preparation of financial statements, there may be a need to post some transactions in the previous year. So the interviewer wants to know whether you have really worked in the SAP previously or you came on the fake experience, right? That's quite natural. So in order to know that, they may ask you this question. Is it possible to post the business transactions in the previous year, even after the preparation of financial statements and the previous year is closed? The answer is yes, right? So we can post the business transactions in the previous year, even after the close of the previous fiscal year, right? So in this case, if you want to post the business transactions in the closed fiscal year, first of all, we have to open the periods in the previous fiscal year. And we open the periods in OB52. So unless we open the periods in the previous fiscal year in the transaction code OB52, you cannot post the transactions. So after opening the periods in the previous fiscal year, if you post the transactions in the previous fiscal year, it will have the impact in two places. Number one, if the business transaction you post affects the balanced account, then the carry forward balances in the current year already done are updated, right? If the business transaction posted by you impacts your balanced accounts, then the previous year carried forward balances also will be updated, right? If the business transaction affects your P&L account, right? See, if the posting is going to affect the P&L accounts, then the system adjusts the carry forward balance of profit or loss to the retained earnings account. So the answer is yes, right? We can post the business transactions in the previous fiscal year, provided we open the periods. So when you post the transaction, right, the system automatically adjusts the financial statements of previous fiscal year. That is one entry question. The other question is, what is asset SOPR number in SAP? Main asset number, sub-asset number, and group asset number. Now, what is this SOPR asset? The concept of SOPR asset number in asset accounting is used only for the reporting purpose. So using the SOPR asset number, we can report a group of assets, right? For your understanding purpose, it is just similar to cost element groups, when cost center groups, etc. So in controlling the cost element groups and cost center groups are very much convenient at the time of reporting and planning. Similarly, using the asset SOPR number, right, we can report on a group of assets. For that, first we create one asset master record in the AS01 as usual. Then we assign this asset number in each individual asset master record, right, in the allocation tab, right? See, and we can assign any number of individual assets to one SOPR asset. Suppose, for example, and the SOPR asset number is assigned in the allocation tab of every asset master record. So already we have created one asset master record. Let us go to the change function, AS02. Asset 202, sub number 0, company code SSMN, right? Click on enter. See, in the allocations tab, right, we have one asset SOPR number. So here, suppose you can see, we can assign one asset SOPR number in any number of individual asset master records. Suppose we have assigned this asset SOPR number in 10 asset master records. Then at the time of generating the reports, instead of entering the number range of 10 individual assets, right? We can enter only one asset super number in the selection parameters. Then the system will display the reports for all the 10 individual assets in whose master record this asset super asset number was assigned, right? That is the use of this super asset number. And you will be able to see all the associated assets with the asset super number as a single asset. For example, brake assembly lines or as individual assets. For example, machinery equipment in the brake assembly line, right? So the main purpose of this asset super number is only for the purpose of convenience of reporting. That's it, right? But the configuration is, first we create one asset master record, right, in AS01 as usual. Then this number is assigned in all the other individual asset master records which are to be included in this asset number, super asset number, right? This is the concept of asset super number, right? Or yeah, asset super number. Okay. So tomorrow I will meet you with another interview question, right? Till then, bye-bye. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.